In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open timeline in Canva. If you're editing a video, building an animated reel, or trying to line up slides, text, and music inside Canva, the timeline is one of the most useful tools you can access. It gives you a clear view of your pages and clips so you can control timing much more accurately, instead of guessing how long everything stays on screen. The good news is that Canva makes this fairly simple once you know where to look. To begin, open Canva and head to the home page. If you want the timeline tools to be available right from the start, create a video-based project instead of a standard design. On the main dashboard, click the video category, then choose a preset that fits your needs, such as a full-size video or a mobile video format. This opens a workspace designed for motion and timing, which makes it much easier to work with clips, transitions, and pacing. If you already have a design made in Canva, you can open that instead. Find your project from the recent designs area and open it on the main editing screen. This is especially helpful if you've been working on a presentation, social media design, or another visual project and want to check whether timeline controls are available there. Once the design is open, move your cursor over the canvas and make sure you're in the main editing view. Next, look toward the bottom center of the Canva editor, just beneath the main canvas. If the timeline is hidden, you should see a small arrow or handle there. Click it once to expand the timeline panel. As soon as you do, Canva will open the horizontal timeline across the bottom of the screen, allowing you to see your pages or clips in sequence. This is the main area you'll use to manage timing visually. Once the timeline is open, you can make it easier to work with by adjusting the zoom. Look to the upper left area of the timeline panel for the zoom control. Drag the slider to zoom in if you want a closer view for fine timing adjustments, or zoom out to see more of your project at once. This is especially useful for longer videos or projects with many scenes. When everything looks right, move the playhead back to the beginning of the timeline and press the spacebar to preview your project. Watch for smooth timing between animations, text, and audio. If it all looks good, go to the top right corner, click share, then download, choose MP4 video, select your preferred resolution, and download the finished file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.